Good morning. Hold on one second. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning. Still a little bit congested. My voice keeps going in and out, but we're going to do what we can do today. Hopefully everybody had an amazing day yesterday. What's up? So, yesterday took 3 trades. The first 2 were winners. Meta was actually a winner as well, but literally hardly made any money off of that and completely missed an absolute banger of a trade. Should have just listened to what I was looking for. So, first 2 trades were both on SPY. The third trade that I really wanted on SPY would have been the one that really paid yesterday, but again, I ended up trading Meta and completely missed it. But yeah, so hopefully everybody ended green yesterday. Hopefully everybody made money. Let me know in the chat how you guys ended up doing. Let's look at the market. Let's see what we can find today. Let me make sure we don't have any economic news this morning. And then real quick, if you guys are a new subscriber, I greatly appreciate you guys. My channel has absolutely exploded in the last week. We're already about to hit 31K subscribers, which is crazy. So I greatly appreciate all of you. Anyways, we have news at 11 and then a Fed speaker at 12. So I don't really care about either of those. But 11 is going to be our 5-year inflation expectation. So we do want to pay attention to that. Real quick, as always, if you guys could, make sure to start off today with that like. It would be greatly appreciated. Looking to trade from your hotel. Nice, nice. I guess I'll get live for the people on TikTok because I haven't been live on there in like 2 weeks. So... let's see. Let's get live for everybody up on there. But yeah, let me know how you guys did yesterday. Make money, lose money, take no trades, and let me know. They still see my legs. Let's see. Green. Nice. Nice. Good morning. Trying to get situated for the people on TikTok. There we go. Boom. Go live. Alrighty. For real. Alrighty. Let's see. So since we don't have any news that we have to worry about, first things first, let's check the Dixie. Let's see what's going on with that. Let's see. What chart am I looking for? There it is. All right, so remember, Dixie, when this goes up, bad for equities like SPY and QQQ. Pulled back, made that 61.8% retracement, had a pretty huge move in these last 4 days. So if we pull back, we should see a nice little pump in the overall market. Let's go on over to QQQ. Not what we want. QQQ, let's pull up the other chart. Yep. So... let's see, that QQQ squeeze ended up firing down yesterday. As you can see, it kept rejecting that 1 hour 21 EMA. Now it's at that 1 hour 34. We did set a new yearly low. Let's see, what's the low? 263. The one thing that I'm really looking for in QQQ is I will be a buyer and I will look to swing if QQQ can hit. Hold on. What's going on, everybody on TikTok? Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning. But the one level I'm watching very closely on QQQ is going to be the 61.8 on the monthly, which is at 258. If QQQ can get down there, I will be looking for swing trades and I will be looking to add long-term equity. That's going to be a very important level. But as far as today, let's see. I mean, if it broke below 263.35, I'd be interested, or above 266.6 for calls. Not really a clear direction on that one yet. Same thing yesterday, 1 hour squeeze on SPY did fire down. We're coming back up. Maybe we'll test that 34 EMA. Good morning. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. 150 likes and you guys get the watch list for today. Anyway, so SPY. Let's see. I mean, if the Dixie's gonna cool off, then the market's gonna rally. Dixie has had a pretty big move, and SPY did break above that trend line right there. We'll see. But SPY and QQQ, not really a clear direction on that as of now. And then the weekly watch list, we had AMD. Very interested in a reject here. Take it up to 58. I'll look for the reject or the break below 56.74. Take it to yesterday's low. Yep, very interested in that 58 level. AMD. I post a watch list in the chat once we get 150 likes. And again, I'm still a little bit congested. I've been sick for like the last week, so bear with me. BNO's still looking for the swing. I really wanted to get into that corn swing, but that thing just absolutely exploded yesterday. So I'll see if I can get a pullback. Maybe to 27. I'll look for a swing. Nvidia. There you go. We both had the same reject. Nvidia, look for a reject. 117.25. Who is Garrett? My name's Brandon. Good morning to you too. Anyways, I mean, actually what I'd really like is if Nvidia can climb up into like 120, that'd be ideal for a reject. And then let's see, Meta. Also, if you guys are new to the live stream, remember I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time to give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button. Also, I have 800 something videos teaching you guys on how to trade. Let's see, Meta's got like $1.20 of a gap it could fill. Just be a little higher risk, and it depends if it breaks it right here. But we can put Meta on the list for now. Boom. And then we'll get to Tesla, don't worry. Real quick, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys do want to learn more about my overall trading strategy in a 450-page book, make sure to head on over to Amazon, type in The New Age of Technical Analysis. I'm going to drop a little tiny URL here in the chat if you guys want to check it out. But again, 450 pages talks about my entire day trading and swing trading strategy. For the people on TikTok, there you go, right there. Boom, 450 pages. Let's see, what brand is your light? Oh, it's a key light. Elgato key light. Anyways, all right, let's look at Apple. 1 hour squeeze here. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Chris. All right, so with Apple, it kind of looks like it's doing a 4 hour inverse cup and handle. Here's our little handle right here. So we could watch that for a breakdown. Not really interested in anything else until it does. So let's see, we already got AMD, Nvidia, Amazon. Yeah, Amazon just keeps bouncing off that support right here at 112. So nothing there. Boeing, I really like this setup because I was looking at a butterfly yesterday. They were too expensive, but look at Boeing on the 4 hour. Shoulder, head, shoulder, squeeze, breaking above that trend line. So as painful as it is for me to say this, I think Boeing's going on the watch list today. I know. Jadon's gonna yell at me. Whatever happened with coin? Was there coin news? Why'd it gap up like that? There had to have been. 66.73. 66.273. Let's see. Or is it just because crypto's pumping like crazy? Nah, Boeing's going on the list today. Let's see, Google. Trying to break out of those trend lines. Actually, no, it still has some room. Never mind. All right, so Google don't care about. We looked at Meta, Microsoft. And then real quick, everybody on the TikTok live, if you guys actually want to see my screen, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, where I'm live streaming right now. Sharing my screen. Let's see, Microsoft. Like a 230.5 reject. Ah, Google and Coin, huh? Okay. Microsoft. All right, Netflix. I think that Netflix squeeze is going to fire down. It's below the moving averages. Video Oxy. Destroyed. Let's see. PayPal, don't care about. QQQ we looked at. Shopify, SPY, and Tesla with the 1 hour squeeze. Whoever's asking about that Tesla gap fill, if you're talking about the one in the pre-market, it already filled. It's getting too close to my reject. I'd be interested if Tesla broke below. Let's see how much room we have. Below 219.10. If we can get down there. Yeah, no. Actually, hold on. Could potentially get a breakout trade here. Let's get the clean chart. Yeah, I mean, Tesla's sitting at that level. Trying to break out right now. So, we can actually look to trade Tesla today. Pretty high probability setup right there. Alrighty, so we got AMD, Nvidia, Meta, Boeing, Microsoft, and Tesla. I know Tesla and Boeing are gonna go on the list. Let's see with the others. Got 330 people up in the live stream. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. I will drop the watch list for completely free once we hit 150 likes. 320 people in here, 120 likes. Make sure you guys run it up. Yes, let's go, Brandon. Anyways, AMD. Let's see what the person's pivots say. We're looking for the reject at 58. Ends up breaking above there. It's got room. Break below 56.74. We got room down. But ideally with this, very interested in that reject. 58. Alrighty. You sent me a rose. Thank you very much. AMD. Still stuffed up. Definitely nowhere near as bad as it was over the weekend. Looking for a reject at 58 for puts. Price target equal 56.74, 58 or 56. Messing up all my numbers. 56.74, 56.35. Is ES ripping? Good, we can go to Tesla. $55.57. Boom. All right, there's the AMD. Huh. You guys want to hear what this dude said on TikTok? He said, "Get a job, man. Sitting there in front of a computer playing with numbers isn't real work. It is real work when I sit here and make your yearly paycheck in about 1 week. Fool, get out your mom's basement." Jeez. Some people, they'll never understand. Anyways, so we got AMD, Nvidia. Yeah, let me go work for minimum wage just to make you happy. I'll go work at McDonald's or something. So, Nvidia, I'll be interested if we can get up there. Meta. For real. All right, so Meta, we have that daily gap. The only thing is with Meta, we got to be careful about that 1 hour 21, which is at 133.23. And then we do really like that Tesla. Thank you for the subscribe, greatly appreciated. So I think with this Tesla, this thing can break out above this trend line. It's got room. Yesterday's high, let's see, it was actually right at that pivot. Yeah, so yesterday's high is going to be pretty much at the pivot that we have today, 227.18. 227.18. Yep, like I said, the dollar, it's a little overextended. I'd like to see a pullback. It's still uptrending, but if it pulls back today, market's going to have a nice push. 229.18. Let's see. No daily SMAs are blocking. Let's go to the clean chart so I can actually see. Got a level way up there. All right, we have a nice level here. Real quick, if you guys want an easy way to find your support and resistance, really just go to your settings on ThinkorSwim and then go to Snap Drawings 2 and then choose OHLC. When you're going to find your levels, literally just snap onto the wicks, look left and look right. That's how I find pretty much all my support and resistance. Super easy. Like you see, we have a level right here, but price nowhere near it, so we don't really need it. Right there. Thank you guys for the subscribes, greatly appreciated. We're about to hit that 31K, which is crazy. Literally just hit 30K like a week ago. About a week ago. Yeah, so Tesla, it's got the room. Let's just hope it doesn't break in the pre-market. Let's see, Tesla, beautiful 1 hour squeeze. Let's get the clean chart. Boom. Exactly. Trading, you can literally sit here and make a full-time income in 30 minutes to an hour a day, and then you have the rest of the day to do whatever you want. To me, trading isn't about making the money. Like, yeah, the money is cool and the money is very important, but the fact that I can sit here and do whatever I want after 11 o'clock, that's freedom. That's a lot. Just that freedom portion is more than money could ever buy. Tesla in a nice, has a 1 hour trend line and is looking to try and break out. Beautiful 1 hour squeeze that I will be watching. Sorry you guys heard me go off on a hater today. Let's see. It's okay though. Beautiful 1 hour squeeze that I will be watching. Break above the trend line for calls. Price target equal to what is that? 227. Yeah, 227 to 227.18. Above there has a lot more room. All right, there's Tesla. No, I really don't trade TQQQ. Spreads are kind of wide and it just doesn't move as much. I'd rather just trade QQQ. Let's see what else we got. Also, for the ones that are on TikTok, let me tell you, wearing a ring is super, super weird. Literally it just feels like my finger has extra weight on it. So we got Tesla. Thank you for the subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Let me make sure there's liquidity in Boeing first. Yes, but we're going to need the spreads to narrow a little bit. They're like 20 wide, which is like 10% of the contract's value. We have the daily 21 EMA at 136.71. I hope so. All right, so I like that. The 4-hour squeeze is beautiful. Also, next week, I'm not going to be live on YouTube. As you guys know, I'll be on my honeymoon. I'll be in Jamaica chilling. I still will be trading. So if you guys are in Team Bull, you guys are still going to get my watch list. Just Brandon trades, I think. Yeah, we'll look at ZS here in a minute. Once I get this watch list done. How many likes we got? We had 150 yet? We're at 174. Nice job. Okay, real quick. Before we put out Boeing, again, in case you guys want to learn more about my overall trading strategy, make sure to check out my book. Check out my book on Amazon. 450 pages. There's a link right there. I talk about my entire day trading and swing trading strategy. So, again, if you guys want to check it out, make sure to do so. The New Age of Technical Analysis. Yeah, Boeing pretty much a straight shot up to, what is that, 133.87, 134.35. Yesterday, I don't know what that was. That was a huge pump. 35.23. Alrighty, let's get a picture of the clean chart. Send it in the chat. Boeing. Nice 4-hour inverse head and shoulders. Plus 4-hour squeeze. Looking for the break above pre-market highs. The calls. Price target equal. 33.87. 133 point, or no, 134.35. 135.24. 135.74. All right, there's Boeing. Let's see what the elite members are watching. Also, we have FOMC minutes tomorrow. Jadon literally put in the chat and said no. Look at this. Straight up said no. That's funny. Thank you. All right, let's get one more stock. So we put Tesla, we put Boeing, and we put AMD. Obviously, we're going to watch SPY and QQQ. And then we had Nvidia, Meta, Microsoft. That reject on a video looks really good if we get up there. I have water. I'm just dying. I've been sick. Been sick for a week. I was literally super sick at my wedding. Still got it done though. It's the new age of technical analysis. It goes through everything. So if you're new, highly suggested. Let's see. I think I don't want to put in video on the list. Meta doesn't look bad either for that gap fill. Get like $1.20 move out of it. Let me tell you, if I drink more G Fuel than I do now, I'll probably have a heart attack. So, Microsoft and Nvidia both look really good for a reject. What do you guys say? Should it be Meta, Nvidia, or Microsoft? I think if I put Meta on the watch list today, Jadon might kick me out of Team Bull because Boeing's already on there. So I'm gonna say let's not do that. I think Nvidia is the better option here. Can't really trade SQ like you used to. It's really not. It doesn't trade like it once did. Like it used to have super liquid options, not now. Let's see, pre-market low 114.59. Yesterday's low 114. We are below pretty much all support. Oh, we're trading at COVID low. Other than that, it doesn't have anything. Yeah, it felt way past those retracements. Actually, hold on. I want to see some. Okay, that takes it to around 98. Yeah, we're gonna put in video on. $117.22. Probably gonna be around like 117 by the time the market opens. Also got that daily pivot right there. Makes it a little higher probability that it will reject. So anywhere in between like 117 to 117.34 is what I'm going to watch on video. Yeah, let's just make the watch list Roku, Meta, and Boeing. All right, let's put in video. Video. Looking for a possible reject. Anywhere in between 117 to 117.34 for puts. Downside price targets equal 115.67, 114.59, 114.08, and then 112.08. All right, and then there's some video. So that is everything I'm going to be watching today. How many likes we got? I know we're over 150. We're at 188. Nice. So real quick, in case you guys did not know, every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, I go live here on this YouTube channel, give you guys a completely free watch list for the day, answer any questions you guys got. Plus, I have like 800 something videos teaching you on how to trade over on my channel. So if you guys are not subscribed, you guys are completely missing out. Anyways, Also, what was the video I uploaded? Oh yeah. So if you guys did not see yesterday's video, highly suggest watching it. First off, it completely blew up out of nowhere. But it's pretty much talking about, like, if I only had $1,000, if I were to lose everything today and I only had $1,000, this is exactly what I would do to get back to where I am today. But I've been changing up the content recently. I've gotten a lot of positive feedback about it, so hopefully you guys do enjoy it. Got a lot more on the way. So let me drop this watch list for you guys. Again, none of this is financial advice. I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So make sure to do your own due diligence. Make sure to use your own proper risk management. Trade safe, trade smart. And again, I am not responsible for any lost funds. So I will stay on here until like 8:55. So if you guys got questions, feel free to ask. What kind of stocks do I trade? So I trade options. Again, I talk about my entire strategy in my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis. Make sure you guys check this out. It's on Amazon, so just go on, type in The New Age of Technical Analysis. Thank you for the subscribe. So your ZS, yes, I promise to look at it for you. ZS. Got smacked, I'll tell you that. Let's see, we have support 148.50 on ZS. It got very close in the post market yesterday, so I'd be a little worried. Like, if you're gonna try to bounce it, if you're gonna try to day trade it, I don't know if you can see, but we got this daily trend line right here connecting the yearly low to the next swing low projected forward. We're getting very close to it again. So we already bounced around 50 cents short. If you do want to try it, it's going to be higher risk. But if it breaks below there, it's going lower. Always in Team Bull. Always. I had to keep my mic muted for a little bit yesterday because they were outside doing work and it was stupid loud. Couldn't focus. Of course. Let's see. Okay, so Mookie, pretty much what I'm looking for is the 1 hour, 4 hour daily to just give an understanding of the overall trend. That's not to say that I'll only take trades if it's stacked one way or the other. Like yesterday, SPY. I traded 2 calls in SPY within, 10 minutes of the market open. Both of them were winners, but everything was stacked down. So it's just telling you the path of least resistance. That's not to say that you can't trade the opposite direction, if that makes sense. And I don't use the stacked DMAs on the 1 minute. 1 minute's going to be, you're going to get a lot of false signals. So look at the higher time frames, base your trades off the 5 and 10 minute, use your 1 minute to snipe your entries. What else we got? Yeah, they were so annoying. They've been here for a week. Let's see. Any other questions, or is everybody good? Everybody good? All right, cool. Anyways, so as always, make sure you guys are subscribed. Trade safe, trade smart. Again, make sure to check out my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, on Amazon. Other than that, if you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-20 minutes. If you guys are not in Team Bull, actually, hold on. If you need anything that has to do with me, my Twitter, my Instagram, my affiliate links, Team Bull, whatever it is, you can find all of it right here. Boom. Yeah, so if you have the book, send me a screenshot on Instagram and I'll get you in the book Discord. No, I hardly trade 0 DTE. Hardly. Yesterday I did. But it's not very common. Anyways, so I will talk to you guys in like 10 minutes if you're in T-Bull. Other than that, everybody have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you guys.